On to citing sources, the essentials. Ever wondered why your instructors are obsessed with citations? It's not just to make your life harder. Citing your sources is essential because it provides receipts, your reader will know where your information comes from, avoids plagiarism, not citing can lead to academic penalties, and it's just good ethics. Giving credit where it's due is part of respectful conversations. Think of it like tagging a creator on social media. You wouldn't take credit for someone else's post, right? Same goes for research. In college, you need to cite when using someone else's ideas or words, even when paraphrasing or summarizing, and even when reusing your own past work. Outside of college, it's still good practice. Giving credit is ethical. Copyright applies. Sometimes you'll even need permission to use content. And if you don't cite, you risk takedown notices and legal issues. The bottom line, if you didn't come up with it yourself, cite it. In college, citations go in two places. The first, in-text citations. These show right inside your essay whenever you use work that is not your own. And then the bibliography at the end, which is where you provide a list of full citations. Think of it like a map. Your in-text citations are the clues, and the bibliography is the full address where readers can find your source. To cite, follow these general steps. Step 1, as you collect your sources, gather essential information like author, date of publication, titles, container names, and permalinks for the sources you find. Utilize tools like Noodle Tools or Zotero to gather and manage your research materials efficiently. Next, you want to integrate your sources. So as you draft your paper, incorporate the sources by paraphrasing, summarizing, or quoting. Then, as you integrate your sources, you want to cite in text. Insert citations as you integrate sources. Each in-text citation refers the reader to the first part of the full citation in the bibliography. Numbered citations will refer to numbered sources. Unnumbered styles will refer the reader to an alphabetized list. Finally, you want to format your bibliography. Ensure your bibliography is correctly formatted according to the required style guide. Some examples of this are MLA, APA, or Chicago. You'll need to pay attention to details like spacing, indents, headings, author names, title capitalization, and publication dates. Citing isn't just about avoiding plagiarism. It makes your work stronger, clearer, and more credible. In closing, when in doubt, cite it. And if you need help, just ask a librarian.